Hey, what's going on, my people? It's Jason. Rusty Water Outdoors. We're about to cook up some jambalaya with some fried catfish. Come on, let me show you how to cook some. We're cooking it on the Bayou Classic 5-gallon pots. We got 3 pounds of bacon, 2 pounds of andouille sausage. We got 2 pounds of turkey. The reason why I'm using turkey because Thanksgiving was there and that's the leftover turkey. So we having some bacon andouille turkey jambalaya, beef broth. You got your Holy Trinity, your Pope. This is our catfish that we caught in the salmon. We got it soaking in crystal hot sauce. If you haven't done that, you got to. It's a game changer. 2 pounds of rice. And if you're not putting this in your jambalaya, you're definitely missing out. Yeah, you can read that. Cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soup. Alright, first off, we're going to start off with the bacon. We're going to put the bacon in, get it cooked pretty crispy, and we're going to do something extra with that bacon fat. So all I did was I took that bacon, just threw it right in the pot, and let it cook on down. Smell that. Nope, you can't. Alright, our bacon's about done. I rendered most of the bacon fat down. So I'm about to actually take that out. And the next step is going to be delicious. Alright, I got pretty much all of the bacon out of the pot. This is my catfish. Been soaking in crystal hot sauce about 3 hours. If you do it this way, you don't need a wet batter or nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of having it full fillets, I'm actually gonna cube them up to little catfish bites. Alright, I got my grease hot. I cut all the catfish into nuggets. This is Zatarain's fish fry. So all I'm going to do is throw all my nuggets in there. You can darken up the seasoning if you want to, the batter, with some season. This jambalaya is going to be so much flavor into it, I'm not going to do it. Shake it up. Shook up all the catfish with the batter. So now what I'm going to do is drop it into the bacon fat. Oh yeah, bacon fat. I said it. Oh. And let that fish fry on up in that bacon fat. That ain't gonna be flavor. I don't know what it's gonna do. I wish you can smell that. Alright people, I got that catfish fried on up. Now I'm gonna put that bacon to the side. This is my andouille sausage. Going right in the pot. Music right there. This is bacon, sausage, sizzling. I want to look at that. That's why you gotta build those flavors. So that juice is already brown. All it. Yeah, screw that. Don't forget, we never put any seasoning in this yet. And if you want to, but the thing about cooking, man, you gotta build the flavor. If you're not building the flavor, it's not gonna come out right. Takes all that grease and all that fat before. Look at all that onion. Soaked it right all up. I'm gonna let that sit for probably about another 10 minutes or so. Let that onion sweat down. Then we're gonna go with the soup. The secret ingredients. That's what that is. Alright, we got everything cooked down. So now we're going with the secret ingredients. Make you think I'm joking. Oh! Let that cook on down, render down. We're about to add actually our first dose of seasoning right now. Like I said, if you ain't using those, slap your mama. Sorry for you. Ruin it if you're putting soup in jambalaya. I promise you when it's done, it's gonna look like jambalaya. That's it. This is 2 pounds of rice. 2 pounds of rice. So what did we do? We put 2 pounds of sausage, we put 2 pounds, well 3 pounds of bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. Two pounds of turkey or chicken. Alright, we got our rice in. Now we're using our chicken broth. Normally all I do is just cover it up. We got our bacon in there. We got our andouille sausage in there. We got our rice. We got our chicken broth. Stir it on up. Normally if I had chicken on the pit, I'll be having it in it right now. I'm gonna take my turkey, put my turkey in there, put a little bit more seasoning. Stir it up, wait till it comes to a boil. Let it boil for a couple of minutes, then let it simmer. Like any other thing you do with rice, make sure you stir it. You don't want it to start sticking to the bottom. So I'm gonna let that boil for a couple of minutes. Let it cover it up and let it simmer. And when the food is good, the dogs are coming. This is smelling that food, huh? That's our new puppy.
Bang Mac. Bang Mac. You doing back, are you?
No? You don't want to be in it? Frank Davis.
Frank.
Look at old Frank Davis right there. When you stir it, start seeing all that rice. Prolini. Bless you. Bless you. So when you're done, you put the lid on for the first time. Let it soak. Let all those flavors marinate together. And just like that, you got jambalaya. Here's the crazy part is that we only have 4 people in my family, but yet we cooked enough for 20 people. We just shared with friends and family. We got some homemade jambalaya. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Jambalaya with fried catfish. Hey, thank you for watching Rusty Waters Outdoors.